Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Weekend Today in Central New York. We are in Weather Authority alert mode for widespread snow that develops later today, changing to a wintry mix with ice accumulation tonight. Plus, we're looking ahead to strong wind for Sunday into Monday. And on top of that, some colder air across the Great Lakes, which is going to spark some very heavy lake effect snow Monday and Tuesday for almost the same area that just got hit by heavy lake effect snow yesterday. And we could see several feet from that as well. Starting with today, we have winter weather advisories for most of central New York from 9 a.m. today through 9 a.m. Sunday, but winter storm warnings for the North Country and areas east of Syracuse, including Oneida and Herkimer counties, from noon today until 7 p.m. Sunday. And that's where the ice from the wintry mix is going to last the longest. We also have a high wind watch that may transition over to a warning for Sunday afternoon through Monday afternoon. We'll see a west wind around 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusts up to 50 to 60 miles per hour, which that combined with lake effect snow on Monday could create some whiteout conditions and maybe even some power outages as well, just because some of the trees may be loose. Starting with this morning, we're just seeing a few flurries, cloudy skies, temperatures in the upper teens. The weather system that's on the way in is moving in from the southwest and already producing quite a bit of ice over by Cincinnati from freezing rain and sleet. Notice the front edge, though, is snow. So we'll get snow, ice, briefly rain, and then back to snow as some colder air pulls in on the other side of this system. So right now things are still quiet. As we go towards around 11 a.m. or noon is when widespread light snow develops. It stays pretty light up until later on in the afternoon, and that's when we'll start to see a few inches of accumulation beginning to pile on. It's not until about 7 or 8 p.m. that a wintry mix starts to move in from the southwest. So seeing sleet or freezing rain for the Finger Lakes first, reaching Syracuse closer to 8 p.m. or so, and gradually making its way northward as we head into tonight. Also notice as temperatures rise above freezing, there may be some plain rain mixing in for the Finger Lakes first, Syracuse towards sunrise. And temperatures will climb from above freezing to about 40 degrees by midday on Sunday. However, for the North Country, notice it stays near freezing the entire time. That's why we're expecting a heavy ice accumulation for the North Country and areas east by Rome and Utica. So snowfall amounts from 11 a.m. today through sunrise tomorrow, because again, the snow is going to last longer up north. We'll have around 1 to 3 inches for the Finger Lakes, Syracuse and south. 3 to 6 inches, though, just north of the Thruway in Onondaga County, places down by Tully, Cortland, Marathon, east out by Rome, Utica, Hamilton, Norwich, and Cooperstown, and north by Oswego, Fulton, and Pulaski. 6 to 9 inches for the Tug Hill, the Adirondacks, and just east outside of Utica. Plus, we'll have ice accumulation as well, around 1/10 of an inch for Syracuse, but notice it could be around 1/4, maybe even up to 1/2 of an inch out by Rome, Utica, Hamilton, and Cooperstown. So this could be a very icy situation come Sunday morning. Plus, as I mentioned, Sunday night, as some colder air pulls in, dropping into the teens, we'll have some very heavy lake effect snow developing right over the same area that saw a couple of feet yesterday. And that heavy lake effect snow continues in central New York Monday for President's Day into Tuesday before drying out Wednesday. And then a potential snowstorm widespread on Thursday, drying out heading into Friday. Nicole?